How to get Overwatch coins with Microsoft Rewards. Now, Microsoft Rewards is great. You want to search for Microsoft Rewards here and open up the first link, and we will click on Start Earning. So once you click on Start Earning, it will refer us to this page where we have to log in with our Microsoft account. And basically how Microsoft Rewards works: you complete different tasks, you may do some surveys here and there, and you earn points for it. Your points stack up in your balance, and you can redeem them for actual good rewards, like I am going to show you in this video, for example, the Overwatch coins. So here you can see different tasks if you just scroll down, and the amount that you will earn for completing them, And right here, let's say you have enough to redeem for Overwatch coins. How we can do it: we go to the redeem button here, and we will use the search bar and just search for Overwatch. So you can see this free virtual item, Overwatch coins digital code, or this other option. We are going to check out both. So for this, it will actually show us 500 and 1000 coins as the amounts. So 500 coins actually cost 5000 points, and 1000 will cost 10,000 points. If we go back here, I just want to look at the other option as well. I'm gonna explain how you can redeem it, how it works. So if I search for Overwatch again, then this option right here, the cheaper option, if we click on it, you will see 200 coins for 1800 points. So basically how this works is you will obviously need to earn 1800 points, and once you earn 1800 points, then this button here will appear as redeem. Once we click on it, it will give us the code and send us an email verification on our email associated with Microsoft that we have redeemed the code, and we can use that code in Overwatch to actually redeem it for the amount that we've chosen. So that's how it works. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.